I'm removing the intake manifold to replace or take out the swirl flaps on this one because it's making a noise. And I took out already the cooling fan, and the cooling fan down there, I need to remove that you know, that bracket over there, and then the cooler lines for the I think this is the transmission cooler lines, I think. Yeah, just like plastic tabs that bolts into the cooling fan. And then we take out the connector for that over here. There's a big connector here, and I have the fan over there. Basically there are 8 bolts for this one. So there's one, I think there's one over here, another one down here hidden, this one, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 6, 7, and then down there at 8. So yep, it's gonna be fun taking this out because I have to remove all these wires here. Basically you don't need to take out the fuel rail. Yeah, you don't need to take this out. You could actually take out the bolts without touching this one. You could just like move it this way. And we need to take out this throttle body. This one, I need to take this out. And this one needs to be disconnected. Yeah. I think this one, yeah, this one needs to be disconnected too. I got the bolts out from the throttle body. Then I could just like, let me see what's connected to this one. I think there's like, yeah, 2 hoses. So I need to take this out. It out of the way. You don't need to like disconnect most of the parts here. I just leave this one connected. Then this one I'll just like take this out and then move it aside. I could just leave it hanging for now, and then I will take it out if it's like really hard to pull the intake out. I'm just going to take out the brackets for the wiring. Yeah, this one, and this one. And take this out, disconnect this one. You probably don't need to disconnect this one over here. I might have to loosen this one. This is the power steering high pressure line, I think. Yep. Yeah, this is blocking the way. Looks like I'm gonna take out this connector over here for the starter, and then there's a big connector here too, because this wire needs to be out of the way to move this out. So I think this one I could take this out easily. I just leave this one hanging. Yeah, the hoses are fine. I already got the connection here out. I got all the bolts. They're all the same sizes except for the 2 throttle body bolts. They are longer. And yep. Now it's loose. Yep. Let's see how you could probably slide this one. Yeah, there's a problem over here. I think this one needs to be out. So intake out, and I'm going to take out the rod. It seems not bad though. It's not loose at all, so I doubt this is my problem. pull this out. Then I'm gonna get a long nose pliers and pull this out, the rod out. And I could actually like take out this swirl flaps one by one. I think we just got the intake manifold out, and basically you have to loosen this one so that you'll have, and then you have to take out this wiring too. Yep, I disconnected it. And then yeah, that one is the difficult one, the PCV stuff, the hose. Mine is torn, so yeah, that causes a vacuum leak. And then the wire for the starter too, need to take that out. And yep, you don't need to disconnect the coolant hoses over here. You can just like leave this like hanging. Same thing with this one too. And yeah, this one, the fuel rail, you don't need to take this out too. You could take this out to give you more space to get the PCV hose down here, so you'll have a, you know, like a direct access from the top. But you could actually like use a long vice grip to open the what they call it, this one, the clip. So got the new gaskets in, minus the swirl flaps. They're gone now. I don't even bother like closing the holes in here. Air will just like go into the ports anyway. Yeah, I don't care about it. I just want the noise to go away. And this is the new hose from Dorman. Doesn't seem to be really good quality, but it's really cheap, like 13 bucks in Amazon. So I'm going to put it in. Have everything bolted in, tightened. Only thing missing is the cooling fan. So, and then we're gonna test it.